After determining tile layout, chalk lines are commonly used to mark the floor and guide tile installation. Since Ditra and Ditra Heat are made of plastic, chalk lines can be rubbed off the surface of the membranes relatively easily. Let's take a look at some tips on helping to keep those lines in place over Ditra and Ditra Heat. One option is to apply hairspray over the chalk lines. You don't have to worry about the hairspray acting as a bond breaker because the thin-set mortar is mechanically locked into the top of the configured membranes. Another option is to use an ink line instead of a chalk line. Hope this tip helps the next time you're preparing to install tile over the Ditra or Ditra Heat uncoupling membranes. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.